dashboard. Okay, it's now it's recording. Okay. I think, yep, it's on record here. Okay, so when you log in, this is what you'll see. You'll be on your dashboard. You want to go to Lead, you go to Lead Engine, and it's the first tile. You're going to want to find your URL. Again, I have everybody's in the office, but you'll just have your own. You just click michael-elms.weichert.com and you click Start Building. So what you'll see is this is a template that is editable. So what a landing page really is like an online advertisement for your property. That's the best way for me to describe what it is. Okay, so in the left-hand corner, it automatically defaults to lead generation, but we have a video. So we're going to click on this arrow, and we're going to click on Video and Lead, because that's exactly what we're trying to promote. Okay, the URL, the YouTube, sorry, please. The YouTube ID would go here. Okay, so but let's fill in all this other stuff first, and we'll get to that. So the hashtag field is how you want the leads to be grouped when it comes into your database. So don't think of it as a hashtag like you would use on Instagram. It's more of a labeling system that KV Core uses. Okay, so I've been telling people to start it with an LP, so landing page. This way you know it's a landing page that you created and that's where the lead came from. Okay, because obviously you have a lot of different advertising and promotional things going on for your properties. You want to be able to decipher where the lead came from. Okay, so I'm gonna put LP, and let's do 35 Myersville, and I put the town. Okay, so this way you know, not Metersville, Myersville. So that's when you look at the leads in KV Core, it will have this hashtag next to it. So this submit button text, you can edit this button. So this is what people are going to see. Excuse me. So it's the call to action. So obviously, see the list now doesn't work for what we're trying to promote. What I'm gonna write is see full listing. Or you could say see full, because you have an additional video. You could say see full listing in video. Something like that. So it's basically the call to action. So the URL after login, I will put that video, that other video link that you sent me. So not the one for YouTube, but I'm going to pick this one. Okay? Because this is going to give the user the full video. Okay? Sometimes, I mean, obviously, if you didn't have that for the property, say you only had the YouTube video for whatever reason, you could put your website. You could put your website there. Okay, so I pasted it, so it's all there. So the YouTube ID is this crazy looking 7MK8F. That's the YouTube ID. Okay, so there, I tested it. It works. Okay, so I'm going to paste it in there, and I'm going to delete all the other stuff in front. Oops, I forgot to copy it. Sorry, I forgot to copy it. So I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to paste it, but I want to get rid of the URL portion of it. Okay, so that's the YouTube ID. Okay. Sorry, let me move this. So if you click this on, you're going to require the user to put their phone number. I would click it on, always. I would always click it on, because this way it's requiring them to put in stuff. They'll probably put something fake in, some people, but for the most part, hopefully people will put in something real. This way you'll be able to reach out to them via phone. Okay. So here, you can change this lady's face, which I highly recommend, and you can change it to the MLS, this main picture, by grabbing the MLS number. Yep. Click on the background, go to primary MLS. Can you see this? Sorry, there we go. Primary MLS image, and it's going to want the number. So you paste it in there and you click OK. So there's the image in the background. Yeah, it's pretty cool, right? Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Obviously, you can have it be a stock photo. There's a bunch of different choices. There's the lady's face. There's a kitchen picture. There's a condo picture. I mean, maybe if you have a coming soon that you don't have a photo for yet, or whatever the case may be, it might be nice to have that in addition. All of these fields in here are editable. So you decide what you wanted to say. I started doing this on Friday for you guys, and I thought it would be nice to say something from the description. So I wrote, I can't remember what I wrote, it was 3 days ago, but I think I wrote something like best of Harding or something like that. So we can say best of Harding. And then I wrote on this 35 Myersville. Was it Myersville Road? Road, okay. Road, Harding, New Jersey, for sale. Okay, something like that. So in here, all of these are also editable. So I would like pick and choose. You only have 4 spaces. You can't add. You can only do four little bullet points. So you can do, you know, amazing 2-story living room. Make sure you check your spelling. So you can change all that stuff. Do you want me to do this for you and just send it to you? Okay. Okay, so all of these things are editable. Don't forget to check your spelling. It will have an underline for things that are not spelled right. Oops, this isn't working. Hold on a second. I might have the wrong ID. It will show you. Oh, there it is. It does look right, right? I don't know why it's not showing. It's not. Yeah, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Oh, there we go. Working. There it is. So I paused it. So again, all of these things are editable. Once you click save, you can't go back and change it. So you really, really need to make sure that it's correct. It's everything you want it to say. Because once you click save, what will happen is this little white box is going to come up. This is basically telling you this is your last chance. Because once you click save, it is done. I mean, obviously you can start a new one, but then you have to start all over. Okay. So, yes. No, you don't have access to what I just did, but no, there's no draft. Yeah, I mean, once you, if you don't share it with anybody, it's just going to be this floating random website out in like the universe. Like nobody's ever going to see it. Like it's nothing. It's, you haven't shared it, so nobody knows it exists. Yeah, so no, you can't go back, but what you need to do once you do save it and you're good with it, you're going to want to copy the URL. So like make an archive, make a Word document for yourself, and so you know exactly what you did before, because you can open the website, you can open the landing page, but you just can't edit it at that point. Okay, so I'm thinking, what else can I do? Okay, so I'm gonna click save right now. We can go back and change it. We can go back and make a new one if we need to. Obviously we're gonna need to because we didn't edit any of this. So once you click save, you're gonna, if you feel good with it, you click OK. So here's your page, and then in the left-hand corner, and the video starts automatically. In the left-hand corner, there's a share button, and you can share it on Facebook or or Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. You can obviously save it on Instagram too, but just not from this. You just need to grab the URL. So here's the URL. So you can save it on Instagram that way. What they'll, go ahead. Yes. Correct. So I'm going to put my information in here, email, cell phone. You click see full listing. You have to fill it in. You'll see the video here. They'll see the video here, but we told the landing page to go to the page where the full video is. Yes. Yeah. So okay. Okay. So what you can do, yeah, I know what you're saying. So you can put it into an Instagram video. So you start a video on Instagram, and then can you open the video from there? You know what I'm saying? Like, so say you're like making your own video from the video. Or you might be able to copy and paste the link into a comment. So make a photo of, so take the photo of the home, make that be the post, and your caption's going to be like, hey, check out 35 Myersville and Harding. Click link and comment below to see more. Do you know what I'm saying? So like a different, I mean, because I've seen celebrities do that, like click this video in the comment below to see, because probably for the same reason, they don't have it saved anywhere. Yeah, you could do that too. You could do that too. Yeah, or I'm just trying to think. I guess there's a couple ways you could do it. I guess there's a couple of ways you can do it. Yeah, that's one way. I think that you could save the video in your profile. Yeah, so like make that be one of the URLs that people can go to. And yeah, so yeah, that's a good way of doing it also, I think. So yeah, so you, go ahead. I haven't gotten much. I know that people like them, and I know from other offices, I know that a lot of other real estate agents are using them, and they absolutely love them. We had earlier on Monday last week, MyWeichert University had a webinar about this, and the sales manager from, I think, was LBI, was on there, and he was going through it, and he was just so enthusiastic about it. His agents love it. He loves it. He still has listings. Like, I mean, so overall, I think the general consensus is that this is the way to go. Yep. Yep. Either one. So back in KV Core, so if you want to do a landing page that you did, so say you want to do a Facebook Live. So say maybe it's not 35 Myersville because you said they're not, letting anybody in, basically. Say one of your other properties, say it's a vacant property, and you were able to go to the property and do a walkthrough as if the potential buyers are there. You would do a landing page with a Facebook Live link. So in Facebook, you can make an event, right? So you can go to Facebook and you can have an event scheduled, okay? So, okay, live video. And then, sorry, it's really slow. Ugh. So there's me. You could schedule a live video right here. And then you just decide when you're going to have that. Is it going to, what time of the day? Okay. Okay. And then it gives you an ID here. So go back to KV Core, and we're going to do a landing page for a Facebook page instead. So Facebook chat here, I think, right? Facebook chat. So there is I can't remember which, I have to look at the landing pages and remember which one it was, but you can schedule out a Facebook Live time frame and go to the property and be like available for questions and answers at that point. So which is a nice additional thing that you can do. I'm just trying, so I'm just trying to say face. I thought there was a. Okay, so you would put it here, URL after login, but what you're doing is in here you're going to promote it. You're going to say Facebook chat live on March 30th at 1 o'clock. So then you would have the information about the property. What's going to happen is that once they click, we're going to write, say, schedule Facebook chat or something like that here. Okay, and what's going to happen is it's going to register them for that live video that you're going to have. Okay, so so you're going to schedule it here where it says date and time. Let's put it for 3 o'clock. And you're going to say schedule live video. Of course, I'm going to delete it. Okay. So here's your URL that you're going to copy and paste into your landing page. So this way, when somebody clicks the button, they're going to be registered for that. And then it will give them a reminder that it's coming up. Okay. Yep, and you will open that event. Yep, it will be on your home page. It will actually probably give you a reminder email even that you'll be able to log in. So that look, there's something down here that just popped up. So I think that you can have all of that stuff going. I mean, obviously, you're not going to Myersville. You're not going there. So you can just. Are you also doing a video for that? Okay. So yeah, so you can have the video on the landing page, and also within the landing page, you'll say, click link below, click the button below to schedule, to register for our live event on whatever day you're going to do it. So then they'll be able to click on the video. They'll see the video right there on the landing page, but by clicking the button, they're not going to go to the video that's online, but what they're going to do is they're going to register for your Facebook Live time frame. There's a lot of ways you can do it. And also when you post it on Facebook to promote the fact that you're going live, you'll say, click link below, or whatever the case may be. You'll want to make sure that they do click on the landing page, so you capture that lead. So by them putting their information in the bottom, it also not only will it register them for the Facebook Live video, but it's also going to dump them into your KV Core CRM. So this way it'll be hashtagged with that information, and you'll be able to, you know, communicate with them moving forward. So it is a lead capture system. Okay, so KB Core the website is my.weichert.com. Yes, and it's the same username and password as Weichert1. So I think it's M Elms or P Elms. That's what it should be. I'm not sure if it's anything different. It's typically what it is the first initial, last name, and whatever your password is to log in for Weichert1. It's the same password. So you're welcome. Yeah, call me or email me, text me, whatever, if you need any additional help. And I'm here for you guys. All right. Yeah, you too. Take care. Bye-bye.